2 months after the position became vacant, a recommendation committee has finally been formed to appoint a new vice-chancellor at Tribhuvan University, Nepal's oldest and largest academic institution. However, the timeline for the appointment remains uncertain. In the absence of leadership, key academic, administrative and policy-related functions at the university have come to a halt. The situation is no better at the University Grants Commission, the body responsible for regulating higher education. The position of member secretary has remained vacant for 4 months. The vice chairperson's post at the Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training has also been unfilled for over 2 months. With no executive leadership in these institutions, several donor-funded projects have been left in limbo.
हामीले दैनिक अफिसियली कामकाजहरु चाहिँ अगाडि बढिरहेको छ, तर चाहिँ नीतिगत जुन निर्णय, जुन कुराहरु, जुन एक्टिभिटिजहरु नीतिगत रूपले लङ टर्मको हिसाबले तो प्रभावित हुन्छन्, त्यससँग सम्बन्धित हुन्छ, ती चाहिँ कुराहरु चाहिँ भएका छैनन्.
Other major institutions including Patan Academy of Health Sciences, Pokhara, Karnali and BP Koirala Institutes of Health Sciences are also operating without vice chancellors. Education Minister Raghuji Pant has stated that appointments will be made soon following the formation of recommendation committees based on political consensus. Academics warn that prolonged vacancies in leadership positions are not only undermining the functioning of higher education but also damaging Nepal's academic reputation globally.
अब यी विषयहरुमा ध्यान दिएर एकदम मेरो एजेन्डामा छ हैन, कतिपय हामीले मात्रै टुङ्ग्याएर पनि हुँदैन, संयुक्त सरकारका सहभागी अरु दलहरुले पनि टुङ्ग्याउनु पर्ने विषय छ. त्यसलाई करिकरी आधा काम सकिएको छ. अब आधा काम चाहिँ हामी छिटै टुङ्ग्याउँछौं. सामान्यतया दलमा बसेपछि म त मेरो मन्त्रालयको काम गर्दा सचिवलाई सोध्छु, सहसचिवहरुसँग सल्लाह गर्छु, मेरो आफ्नो सचिवालयका मान्छेहरुसँग सल्लाह गर्छु भने, अनि सरकारमा काम गर्दाखेरि त सहयोगी दलहरुसँग अब यसो गर्ने भनेर भन्नु त प्रधानमन्त्रीले वरिष्ठ नेताहरुसँग सल्लाह गर्नु त स्वाभाविक हो नि, त्यसलाई अन्यथा लिनुहुन्न.
Concerns are growing over the politicization of academic appointments. Experts stress the need for timely selection of qualified and competent individuals to restore credibility and prevent further decline in the sector. For Kantipur News, Rupak Koirala and Binod Koju on the camera, a report by Narayan Kilambu.